Hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be going over how I do my lash removals, and you guys know we do not waste time over here. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to have my client look back as if I was doing a regular full set. I'm going to just place the foam tape at the bottom of their eyes. However, I won't be doing any other tape downs. This is just to kind of protect the client's skin while I'm doing the removal. I'm going to insert the removal that I'm going to be using. I get this from Amazon. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. So I'm going to go ahead and use a lip brush and just place the cream on the base of the extensions. And I'm going to try to avoid getting it on their eyelid because I've been told that this product can burn a little bit. Now, this is not the only way that you can do a removal, but just for something quick and easy and safe, I'm going to recommend to do a removal. And when I tell you this cream remover is so strong, after I put it on there, sometimes within seconds, some of the lashes start to come off. But what we're going to do is we're going to place these on the base of the extensions and we're going to let this sit for a few minutes. This is going to loosen up that glue and it's going to be very easy for us to just slide the lashes off. Or if we need to do like any banana peel method, it's going to make that a lot easier as well. So the creamer has been on the extensions for a few minutes. Some of these were coming off already on both eyes. I tried to put a good amount. A lot of her lashes were stuck together, so I definitely wanted to use this method as the safest method for a removal. As you can see, some of these are already coming off, and I'm going to try to just give a very gentle tug at the extensions to see if they are ready to come off, and also doing the banana peel method, which is holding the natural lash very firmly and just gliding off the extension. But this glue may be a little bit stronger than other glues that I have seen, so I'm going to put a little bit more of the creamer on the extensions and let this sit a little bit longer because I definitely don't want to bring any damage to the client's natural lash. So right here, I'm going to use the banana peel method where I hold the base of the natural lash and just kind of give the extension a little pop or a bend. That's going to make it pop off or glide off. And I believe I saw a couple of her natural lashes stuck together. That's why I wanted to use this creamer removal method instead of doing banana peeling the entire set off, just to not bring any damage to her natural lashes any more than it probably already has. It looks like a previous tech may have glued her lashes together, so I'm trying to do this as safe as possible. And if you guys feel that you need a little bit more of the remover on the client's lashes, feel free to put a little bit more and let it sit as long as it needs to. You'll be surprised how many people will come to you after they had a nightmare set and just want to get the lashes taken off. And we always want to do this the safest way possible. So I was able to get all of the lashes removed by way of using the cream remover and also using the banana peel method throughout the video. So now I'm going to try to get all of the remover out of her natural eyelashes. You definitely don't want to leave any because it can burn, and this causes a lot of buildup in the natural lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and give her a good old lash bath, and I'm going to be using a brand from a local lash artist that I like to support. Definitely recommend her products. I'm going to try to drop that in the description below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to go ahead and put that in the comment section. I'm just going to shampoo her lashes and give it a good rinse. Then I'm going to go in with my fan and make sure she's not leaving with watery lashes, of course. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.